planning stages of building your new retaining wall and thinking to yourself, am I going to need to get this council approved? Well, you're in luck. The team here at Aussie Concrete Products have put our heads together and have come up with a list of steps that you need to follow to firstly, figure out if your wall will need council approval, and secondly, how to go about getting such approval. Before we begin, it is important though to note that this guide is built off our local council requirements here in Brisbane, and we can't highlight enough the importance of getting in contact with your local council to see their retaining wall requirements before beginning, as this does differ from state to state and council to council. All right, let me start off by asking you some questions about your impending retaining wall build. Will your wall be 1 metre above the natural ground level, within 1.5 metres of another structure, such as a house, shed, or another retaining wall? Have a surcharge loading over the zone of influence, such as a driveway? Will it be built over a main water pipe or a sewage pipe? Will it form part of a fence for a pool? If you answered yes to any of the above, then your wall will need council approval. But don't worry, we're here to help. Follow our steps below on how to go about starting this process, or better yet, give us a call on 07 3348 1200 and we can do all the hard work for you from start to finish.